Hi, my name is Mother Rabbit and I have no idea what I'm doing. What herbs should we get? We already got basil, yes. Give me all the caprese salads. I think I want to get some parsley and some thyme and some rosemary. Okay, so I am running around like an idiot at Home Depot because I did my pickup order. I did part of my order online and then I just did the herbs in the store. So we started out in the garden section, picked out all of my herbs, and then, okay, Camden, what in the world? Like, what in the world is happening? So then at least he's like just being calm. So then I was like, okay, I got my herbs, so I'll go inside to the pickup order counter and pay for my herbs and pick up my order. So I go in there and she says, oh, your order is in garden. I was like, oh, I was just there. And if it was just me, that'd be no big deal. But I have Camden with me who's like trying to push carts and those big things. And now he's putting the brakes on his cart. So I'm gonna stop here for a second. So then I was like, okay, so I bought the herbs inside. And then she's like, so go back out to garden to get your order. So I was like, okay. So I go back out to garden to get my order. And I realized that this gravel that I got is huge and I don't need even half of one bag. So I was like, oh, I didn't realize these bags were that big. Can I return one of these? And she was like, yes, but you have to go inside to the return counter. And I was like, I was just there. So here we go, little adventure in Home Depot. Okay. The gravel is really heavy, so I am not going to be lifting it out of my trunk and bringing it all the way to the backyard. I'm going to bring my pots to the gravel in the trunk, take what I need, and then have my husband move the gravel into the garage when he gets home. So I went to Home Depot today. I got my pots. Well, no, I got the pots from Target yesterday, $5 each. And then I got the rocks. I filled each of the pots with like 3/4 of an inch of rocks so that the water has a place to well in the bottom without drowning the plants. I don't think overwatering is going to be my issue, if you know what I mean. If anything, I need to really make sure I remember, set like 1,000 reminders to give them some water once in a while. So something like that, maybe? Does that look good? What is the meaning of this? I have like 10 minutes before I need to pick up my girls from school. Camden is napping, so either he's gonna start crying and I'm gonna have to go, or I'm gonna look at the time and realize that I'm gonna be late. So what? Seriously, there's like no end to this. Where, oh, there we go. So, something like that. Then I'm just gonna tie. Who knows how to tie a knot? It's really hot out, by the way. Just a double knot, I guess. Would that work? That feels sturdy. Try a double knot on this side. Now let's see if this will look cute. That is adorable. That is so cute. And it's high enough that Camden won't be able to destroy it. So I'll show you the rocks. You can see. We've got these gravel rocks. Put them down in there. I'm going to tie my other pots up. I have 3 posts that I want to do, and then we'll plant the herbs. This is actually kind of fun. It's all fun and games until the herbs that I bought dry out and die. I would like you to go as far away as possible. Thank you. Andy has the hose in his hand, and I can just see that look in his eye, like, I wonder what would happen if the hose came a little bit closer to that camera. Hi. He's waving to me with a very big cheesy smile. He knows exactly what he's doing. He's a good boy. But he's got ideas as well. So let's see. Okay. I love cooking with herbs, but they are so expensive at the grocery store. So if I can keep these alive, I will have saved a lot of money in the long run. It does get really hot here, very humid, very sunny, so I have to make sure that I do feed my plants, feed my herbs, and water the soil. So the next thing I'm going to do is get some soil out and start putting my herbs in. I have no gardening tools at all, so I'm using this plastic bowl that my kids use for snacks. I use that to scoop out the rocks. I'm using it to scoop out soil. Works really well though. I just have to wash it. Let me pop out this rosemary plant. Whoa! Something's got in my eye. What is in my eye? All right, oh, this is nice and moist. I'm gonna break these roots up a little bit. They spread out and, oh, that looks so pretty already. You guys, I'm a gardener. I garden. I am not known for keeping plants alive though, unfortunately. Just ask my husband, it's like his running joke forever. But this is so pretty. This time I'm gonna keep you guys alive, okay? I don't know what you heard from your friends, but I've changed. I'm a good plant mom now. Take good care of you.
Mama?
Yeah?
Can I help now?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you water them when I've got all the soil in. Okay?
I'm done with the hose.
Great.
I'm gonna wash the
Okay. That is
like
so pretty. Look at that rosemary. Now I'm like thinking of all these recipes that I want to do. I want to use all this rosemary. There's a leaf in there.
Mama.
All right, so I'm going to make one pot that has just basil and then another pot that has thyme, parsley, and sage.
Which one's rosemary?
Rosemary is the one that I've already planted.
Oh, that one?
Yep.
Which one is thyme? This one?
This one's the basil. Smell it.
It smells like lemon.
Maybe.
Feisty. Yeah, feisty.
Feisty?
Yeah. Mama? Is
Yeah?
this the,
That is
Thyme.
thyme, yes. You recognize it from when we made our chicken marinade?
Yep. Total.
We can make a lot more of that chicken marinade now.
Well, yeah, since we planted time to that time.
Yeah, we just need to find the time to do it, but everyone has the time to do that. It's a very easy marinade. If you want to know more about that recipe, go to my other video. Easy chicken marinade. I could probably just gnaw on a basil plant. I love basil so much. When I smell it, I immediately think of a caprese salad, tomato, basil, mozzarella, drizzle of olive oil and balsamic vinegar and some salt.
You should
Oh
do that.
my gosh.
You should do that.
I should do that.
Actually,
I
right
should
now.
do
You should do it right
recipes
now.
from my herb garden
Mom, you should do that right now.
right now. Okay, let me get some more soil. This is gonna look so pretty just looking out the back window. Everything okay over there? All right, that one's done. Now I just have one more to do. Okay, next is my sage, parsley, and thyme. Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Oh, that thyme smells so good. It reminds me of my chicken marinade. It also reminds me of my best quiche ever, which I have not done a video for yet, so stay tuned. I was looking for flat leaf parsley. They only have curly parsley at Home Depot, so I don't know what the deal with that is, but I can make do with curly parsley. Pretty much tastes the same. It's just not as fancy looking. It's more like 80s looking. It's so pretty. All right, so some more soil. This is really great because usually you have to get like down on your knees when you're gardening. This is like a standing garden. I love it.
Is it time?
Not yet.
Okay, Mama.
I'm kind of rushing for this a little bit because I'm really afraid that I'm leaking something. So I might just neaten this up and clean it up a little bit when I get back. But I think that looks so pretty. What do you guys think? Do you love it?
Yes, I love it.
I'll get a few shots up close of these beautiful hanging herb gardens. I love it. I'm so excited. Thanks for hanging out with me. There is the sage, those huge leaves. They smell so good. There's the curly parsley right here. And in the back is that beautiful fragrant thyme. How beautiful does that look? Yay! There's the rosemary. Isn't she pretty? That's a sturdy plant right there. So nice. I don't have time to water them and clean them up right now because it is already past the time. But I need to go get my girls from school. So I also have to get Camden up from his nap. Look how cute this turned out, guys. It's okay, Cam. I'm just trying to get my herbs. Love them. And I watered them. Taken good care of them so far. Day 1 and they're still alive. Hi, Cam. Is that a good banana? I moved some chairs and that little old table there, little seating area, although that area gets like no shade, so I'm probably gonna move those chairs during the day when I sit outside here because it is getting just so hot in Florida. What else is new? Thank you guys for hanging out with me, giving me the moral support that I needed to plant my hanging herb garden. I hope you like it, and I hope you'll plant one of your own too. And hey, let's cook together. Grab some of those herbs, and let's go. Good morning. It's a beautiful sunrise. Let me fix that. There we go. Look at that sunrise. And I just wanted to come out here and show you guys, it's really early in the morning. It's like just after 6. I wanted to show you guys how pretty the herb garden looks in the morning. I opened the curtains just to let some light in and I totally forgot about it. And then I saw it and I was like, oh, my backyard looks so cute. And it didn't look cute before. Not at all. It looked like kids had ransacked it. So here, let me turn this around. This is now my view when I come outside in the morning or when I open my curtains, first thing I see. And I've never done this before, but I decided to come out here and sip my tea in these little chairs by my herb garden. Oh, I wish you could smell this basil. It smells so good. Oh, look at the morning dew on those basil leaves. That's so pretty.